Welcome to part 15, the final chapter. Take a moment and think about how far you've come, not just through this lesson, not just through these 15 parts, but through your entire English learning journey. Think about the first time you decided to learn English. Maybe you were excited, maybe you were nervous, maybe you had a dream, a goal, an opportunity you wanted to reach, a life you wanted to build. Whatever brought you here, it mattered. And it still matters, because language is never only about language. Language is about possibility. Every word you learn expands your ability to understand the world. Every conversation opens a new door. Every improvement creates new opportunities. English is not simply a subject. It's a bridge to people you've never met, ideas you've never encountered, experiences you've never imagined, and futures you haven't yet discovered. As we close this journey together, I want to share the most important lesson of all. Fluency is not an event. It's an identity. Many learners spend years asking, when will I become fluent? But the better question is, what kind of learner am I becoming? Because fluency grows naturally when the right habits become part of your life. Fluency grows when you remain curious. Fluency grows when you continue despite mistakes. Fluency grows when you choose practice over perfection. Fluency grows when communication becomes more important than fear. The truth is, there will never be a magical day when you suddenly know everything. There will never be a moment when learning completely stops. And that's actually good news, because growth is one of life's greatest rewards. There will always be something new to learn, a new expression, a new idea, a new conversation, a new opportunity, and that's what makes the journey exciting. Now, let's talk about your future. Not next week, not next month, years from now. Imagine the opportunities that strong English skills can create. Imagine the people you'll meet, the knowledge you'll gain, the places you'll explore, the confidence you'll develop. Imagine walking into situations that once felt intimidating. Job interviews, business meetings, international conferences, academic discussions, presentations, networking events, and imagine handling them with confidence. Not because you're perfect, but because you've developed the ability to communicate. That confidence doesn't appear overnight. It grows from the choices you make every day. Every article you read, every podcast you listen to, every conversation you attempt, every lesson you complete, every challenge you face. Growth is happening, even when it's difficult to see. Let's discuss one final misconception. Many learners believe successful people are simply more talented. But when you look closely, you'll often discover something different. Successful people are usually consistent. They continue when others stop. They practice when others quit. They learn when others become discouraged. Consistency creates results. Not occasionally, not sometimes, always. The person who improves a little every day eventually achieves extraordinary progress. And that person can absolutely be you. Now, let's talk about something deeply important. Your voice. Your voice matters. Your ideas matter. Your experiences matter. Your perspective matters. Sometimes learners become so focused on grammar and vocabulary that they forget why communication exists. Communication exists to share ideas, to connect, to contribute, to help, to inspire, to learn, to build relationships. Never let fear convince you that your voice is not valuable, because it is. The world does not need another perfect speaker. The world needs authentic communicators, people who are willing to share, willing to learn, willing to connect. And every time you speak English, you are strengthening your ability to do exactly that. Now I want you to remember a few powerful truths. Mistakes are normal. Progress is possible. Growth takes time. A confidence is built. Fluency is earned. Consistency matters. And persistence changes lives. Whenever you feel discouraged, come back to these truths. Whenever progress feels slow, remember these truths. Whenever doubt appears, remember these truths, because they will guide you through the difficult days. And every successful learner experiences difficult days. The difference is they continue. Now, let's imagine something together. Imagine two versions of yourself. The first version gives up. They stop practicing. They stop learning. They stop trying. Years pass. Nothing changes. The second version continues. Not perfectly, not dramatically, just consistently. One lesson, one conversation, one improvement at a time. Years pass. Everything changes. The difference between those two futures is not talent. It's persistence. And persistence is a choice available to you every single day. Now, let's talk about gratitude. Take a moment to appreciate yourself. Seriously, learning a language is not easy. You've invested time, energy, attention, effort. You've faced challenges, moments of frustration, moments of uncertainty, and yet you're still here. That deserves recognition. Too many learners focus only on what they haven't achieved yet. Instead, acknowledge how far you've already come. Celebrate progress. Appreciate growth. Respect your effort, because every step matters. Now we're approaching the end of this lesson. But remember, this is not the end of your journey. It's simply another milestone. The real journey continues tomorrow, and the next day, and the day after that. Every new conversation becomes an opportunity. Every new challenge becomes training. Every new experience becomes a lesson. Keep moving forward. Keep exploring. Keep learning. Keep communicating. Keep believing in your ability to improve. Because improvement is not reserved for special people. Improvement belongs to people who continue. Before we finish, I want to thank you from the bottom of my heart for spending this time with me. Whether you've listened to one section or every single part, I appreciate you being here. And if this series has helped you, subscribe to Daily English, give this video a like, and leave a comment below. Tell me where you're from and what your biggest English goal is. I'd love to hear your story. And your story might inspire another learner somewhere in the world to keep going. As we close, I want to leave you with one final message. Never underestimate what consistent effort can achieve. One day, you'll look back at this moment. You'll remember the doubts, the struggles, the practice sessions, the mistakes, the small victories, and you'll realize something remarkable. You kept going, and because you kept going, you changed. Your English improved. Your confidence grew. Your opportunities expanded. Your world became larger. Not because of luck, not because of talent, but because you refused to quit. So, wherever you are right now, keep moving forward. Keep speaking. Keep learning. Keep growing. Keep trusting the process. Your future self is already thanking you. Thank you for being part of the Daily English family. Take care of yourself. Stay curious. Stay motivated. Stay confident. And most importantly, never stop learning. I'll see you in the next lesson. Until then, keep speaking English and keep building the future you deserve. Goodbye for now. And remember, your journey continues today.